Here I will be explaining about the Kaggle competition that we will be hosting for the fourth module. In the fourth module, we actually covered image denoising, deblurring, and then super resolution. So this competition is based on that module. So the name of the competition is Enhance the Dark World. So the main task will be denoising and super resolution of low light images. I will give you a brief overview of this competition. The goal of this competition is to develop a robust deep learning model capable of denoising and enhancing the resolution of low light images. So you will be working on a data set of low light images affected by noise and poor visibility, and your aim is to produce high quality output that are both visually appealing and rich in detail. Coming to the data set, so we have provided a data set consisting of a degraded image of low resolution, and that is hosted inside the training set, and then along with it we have also provided the corresponding high resolution clean ground truths. And then for the evaluation part, we have also given a similar set similar to the training data. It includes low resolution noisy images, and it also contains the corresponding high resolution clean images. So you will be training your model on the training data set, and then you will be doing the validation on the evaluation set. And then you are also given a test set which comprises only the low resolution noisy images. This is a set where we will be testing your model to do the denoising and then the super resolution task. So here in this test set you will not have the ground truth images, you will only have the degraded noisy low resolution images. And for this competition, the submission will be assessed based on the PSNR metrics. So the metrics will be only PSNR. And the instruction for submission, so participants are required to submit their inference code and the trained model, and make sure that the inference code is executable, and you have to demonstrate how to generate predictions from your trained model. So you will be providing us a documentation on how to run this inference code also, and make sure that the trained model are saved in their appropriate format. If you are using a Keras model, it should be in the .h5 format, or if you are using a PyTorch model, .pth is fine. And the inference code should be organized in a clear structure way for ease of use. So you will be you should be adding comments in the code itself, so that we will be understanding on how you have actually arrived to that inference code. And for a submission of this inference code and the trained model, we have given you a drive link. So it can be found inside this drive link. You can put your files in this drive link, and then in addition to all of this submission, you will be submitting a .csv file. This .csv file will actually contain your prediction for the test data, and it will be compared with our own ground truth test data, and then using the PSNR metric we will develop a score, and according to that score a leaderboard will be declared. And coming to the data that is included in this competition, so you will find in the data we have given you a trained data, which is a folder consisting of, so in the trained data it's a folder consisting of ground truth images and then the corresponding noisy counterpart. So I will show you these are the ground truth high resolution clean images, and then along with it we have given you the corresponding low resolution image which has been degraded by noise and poor visibility. And make sure that the super resolution will task should be of 4 times. And along with this trained set, we have also given you a validation set. So in this validation set, it also contains the same similar data to the trained set. It has a corresponding ground truth images, and then also the val data that is corrupted with low visibility and noise. And inside this test data, you will have only the noisy images. So this is a low resolution image which has been corrupted by noise. So your task will be to develop a denoise image, and then you will have to super resolve this particular denoise image by 4 times. So that is the goal. Along with it, we have given a Python script to actually generate a submission.csv file. So after you have generated the denoise images using your model from this input test data, so those input images, those output images should be submitted as a .csv format here. So what we have given you a script that will automatically convert all these images generated from your model by testing on this test data, and then this generate underscore submission.py will actually convert all those images inside your output test folder into a submission.csv. And we have also provided a sample submission.csv so that you will be accustomed on how this actual data, output data will be stored and then submitted over here. So you can see we have a unique identifier where it's the name of the individual images, and each individual images has been flattened into and then they are recorded in this particular row. So for each images, each pixel values are recorded in this row. So this is the sample submission.csv. So you will be using this generate underscore submission.py to obtain your own submission.csv, and that submission.csv needs to be submitted along with the pre-trained models and your inference code. And once you do the submission, we will automatically compute your score based on the PSNR metric, and once that particular score has been generated, you will find your own PSNR score along your team name and then your PSNR score in this leaderboard. So for now, you will be able to access only the public leaderboard. Once this deadline ends, we will also release the private leaderboard, and then score will be computed with a weighted public leaderboard score and the private leaderboard score.